this is XAU USD gold 30 minutes time frame. You can see I've taken like crazy wins this week on gold. Okay, this was last week. This week I took 2 wins on gold, 3 wins on BTC. That's like 5 wins. So you can see this was a 1 to 7 RR win, 1 to 5 RR win, 1 to 6. So you see, like, I really focus on getting good risk reward because I'm a risk reward trader. My win rate isn't high, so I work with my risk reward. You understand? This trade now was a break even trade. So let's focus on the gold sell that we took on the $20 challenge account, and this trade actually made me, I'm not sure exactly, but I'll put the screenshots by the side of the screen while editing so you can see how much I made from this gold sell. I kind of actually scaled in, and okay, I think let me go down to 15 minutes and I'll mark out where I scaled in on this trade. Right, so right, yeah, let me let me mark out where I added another order. All these trades, even this order entry, I actually notified my Telegram channel. I think I'm going to also keep a screenshot so you can go join my Telegram channel so you can also catch this kind of trade. So this re-entry was just like a 500 pip profit trade, but the fact that the trades you hit take profit was actually good, and I'm going to also explain why I took a re-entry of that zone. Right, so first of all, if you look at the chart, you can see this is a symmetrical triangle, simple chart pattern. You can see that I always talk about focusing on the third touch. You understand? I always talk about focusing on the third touch when you're trading. You can see like this upper trend and had how many touches? 1, you come here 2, 3. So this was actually the third touch. So the fact that I missed the entry from the third touch, and this third touch did not go down all the way to at least sweep the low that the second touch made, means I can still enter if this comes back to the trend line. If you don't understand what I said, leave a comment. I'll make like a broad explanation of that, because I actually explained this, like reasons if you want to enter the fourth touch. Is me personally the reasons I will want to enter, because I knew that okay, price did not have enough liquidity to break this low. What the price came back up here. I'm going to like zoom in a little bit. Price took our liquidity. Now what is liquidity? Liquidity are these highs where there are potential stop loss orders, and markets took it out. Why do I think there are potential stop loss orders there? Because when a lot of people trade off the third touch, and you can see this is the third touch right here. This is the third touch, and some people wait for confirmations, and this is like a shooting star candle, very tiny body. Look at a shooting star candle, and you can see a lot of people will now take their entries off here, right? And maybe some people's stop losses are around there, people that entered later, or so you want to wait for more confirmation to enter somewhere here. But more often stop losses are around this zone above the high, and it is not really a major liquidity point for me. You understand? The major liquidity point would have been here, but I'm not looking to get that swept, because if that is swept, that is showing that the market is going to close above the trend line. So I won't even be looking to buy or to sell. I'll be looking to buy. So there was like a minor liquidity sweep. So you can see I always try to put liquidity anywhere I can while I'm trying to trade, be it trend lines or whatever I'm trading. And you can see market took out that minor liquidity for me. A lot of people might not consider it liquidity, but I guess I have my reasons. It's just a matter of experience and knowing how the chart moves, in my opinion. So I took the sale of the fourth touch, right, because the third touch was not strong enough, and price came again, and then it now had more strength. And you can see the massive push. Like this trade was so fast, broke even immediately, like less than 30 minutes of entry. This trade, this market just spiked down crazily, and then you can see this zone right now. This is a breaker block that price has actually been rejecting of before, rejected it 2 times, that reacted to the zone. Right, if you wanted to buy from here, you would have made profit. If you wanted to buy from here, you have made profit. But price came aggressively close below. Now, I look at this zone. This is a key level. A lot of people that they actually sold like from here, that is from here, they took their entries from here, right? So I took my own re-entry at this point, held all the way here, take profit for 500 pips. Then the main trade was a 1,400 pip trade, right? So that's basically it, right? This is a symmetrical triangle trade setup. Entry, I use concept of liquidity inducement, minor inducements, because in my own idea, I don't know how to put it, but with my own experience, I know that this third touch does not have enough power, enough liquidity to push below the low created by the second touch, right? So if it comes back, I know, okay, there is a chance I can get stopped out, right? Market can go to maybe sweep out this high, but I waited. Price rejected. You see, price went up a bit but came down, rejected it nicely, took the entry, and personally I'm willing to risk, right? Willing to risk to see if I'm going to be right. If I'm wrong, I hit myself. That is, the money I'm risking is the money I'm paying to see if I'm right. That's basically how I love to think of it. So you can see the massive push after we swept some minor inducements, and price just kept like dumping crazily. So that's basically the sell gold. That's basically the sell trade on gold. Basically all you have to know, like, on the full trade breakdown. And if you guys like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, let us grow the family. You can join my free Telegram channel, link in description, and I will see you guys in the next video.